Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So, hopefully, you guys are having an awesome Christmas, and then the New Year is coming, 2021. Anyway, today I'm going to unbox this. This is the Roku Express Fast High Definition Streaming Made Easy. So it says a simple setup with the included HDMI cable. Wow. So come with the HDMI cable, so you don't need to purchase this separately. So and here are all the streaming free TV apps that come with it. Some of them you gotta pay a subscription. So easy setup. HDMI, plug it in, connect to your internet or your Wi-Fi, and then start streaming. Works with Alexa, Google Assist. So I guess it's not compatible with the iOS. Or it's a third-party voice assistant. So free Roku mobile app, control your player, watch the Roku channel, use private listening, and more, iOS and Android. So this is a high-speed HDMI cable that came with it. Simple design with more useful features and apps than the competition. So you can watch up to 1080p HD. So it comes with the Roku Express streaming player, remote with the preset channel, shortcut button, and then two of the AAA battery, high-speed HDMI cable, USB power cable, and then a power adapter. So let's go and then unbox this. This is factory sealed. So this is charging cable, or the USB Type A to micro USB, and then this is the HDMI, kind of short. Come with this plastic cap. Yeah, it's pretty short, maybe like what, couple of feet. But this one is pretty long. Here's Express quick start guide. Wow, come with the Roku, and then I love Roku sticker. And then this is the remote right here. So I got the Netflix, Hulu, Sling, and then ESPN. There's your IR blaster right here. And then there's a Roku tag. Come with this nice dual cell batteries, AAA batteries. So and then this is the power brick. It's a 5-volt, 1 amp, and it is made in China. Then this is the Roku right here. Come with this double-sided tape. And you got the Roku branding right there. So there's your infrared receiver right there. And your HDMI, micro USB, and reset button right here. Let me, should I just tape this on there just in case? No, I'll decide later, so yeah, anyway, that's it. Hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.